Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about writing first program in C. So in the last class I have discussed about the structure of C program. Okay, so by using structure you need to develop the program. By following structure you can develop the program. So let's see here the structure of C program. So the first one is documentation section. Documentation section is nothing but comment section. So if you want to write comment into your programs, then you need to use documentation section. Okay. So comments are anywhere in the program. You can write comments on anywhere in the program. Next one is link section. So link section is nothing but header files. Okay, so you can include header files into your program. Header files are nothing but predefined files, so that contain predefined functions. Next one is definition section. Definition section is used to define the constant variables. Global declarations. Global declarations means you can declare variables in the main above. Okay. So these variables can be used throughout the program, anywhere in the program. Next one is main function. So every C program contains one main function. So it is the starting point of execution. Means program execution starts from main function. Okay. So it contains two parts, executable part, declaration part. After that, subprogram section. So this is user defined section, this is optional. So you need to follow this section while developing the C programs. So here our concept is writing first program in C. So for writing you need to know the structure of C program. Okay, so now we know the structure of C program, so we can write the C program. So here program to display hello world. So you need to print a message in C program. So let's see, the first section is documentation section or link section. So comments are two types, single line comment, multiple line comment. Single line comment allows you to enter only one line of comment. Okay, multi-line comments allows multiple lines. Okay, so here multi-line comment, that is, this is my first program in C. You can write comments on anywhere in the program. Okay, so comments are not executed by the compiler, so these are not executed, so these are useful for only information. Okay, next one is after documentation section, the next section is link section. Link section is also known as header section. Okay, so here hash include stdio.h is a header file. stdio.h standard input output dot header file. So standard input output is a header file. So we are including header file into our program. So that's why include. Preprocessor statements. See, link section is also known as preprocessor statement. So the preprocessor statement starts with hash symbol. Hash include stdio.h standard input output dot header file. So the standard input output dot header file contains input output predefined functions. So here this is a printf statement, this is a output statement. So this output statement is not understood by the compiler. So in that situation it uses the header file to know the functionality of printf. Okay, so that is the main reason we are using hash include stdio.h. After link section, the next section is global declaration. So global declaration is a optional sections. Okay, the next one is main. So main method or function. So every C program contain at least one main function because program execution starts from main function. So here main is a function name, method name, and int is a return type. So this main function returns integer value. Okay, 0 to infinity. The output, the return of main function is integer value. So you can write here void also. Void means nothing. Okay. So the main returns nothing. That indication is void. Okay. Inside main method, it contains two sections, declaration section and executable section. Declaration and executable. So declaration is optional. Okay. Executable section. So printf. So here the task is print hello, program to display hello world. So that's why printf is a statement which is used to display the message, okay, which is used to display the content. So printf, here we need to display the message, that is hello world. So it is a string. What is the string? Collection of characters. Collection of characters is known as string. So the string is represented in double quotations, hello world. Okay. Next we are writing return 0. Okay. The output will be hello world. So let's see line by line. The first line. So here the first line is, this is my first program in C. So that is documentation section. So the first line of the program begins with slash star and ends with star slash, which represent that any text written between these two symbols is a comment, that is multi-line comment. Okay. Comments do not affect program while running because C compiler ignores the comment and the programmer use these comments for the documentation of the program. Okay. So I already told that C comments are not executed by the compiler. So what is a compiler? So in the previous classes I have discussed about compiler. Okay. Compiler is a translator which is used to translate the source code. Okay. Source code into machine code, because computer cannot understand zeros and ones. Computer cannot understand English like statements. So that's why computer only understands zeros and ones. So you need to translate the program into zeros and ones. So compiler is a translator which is used to translate high level into machine level. Okay. So this compiler ignores the comments. Okay, these are not executed by the compiler. Okay. The next line is link section, that is header files. So here hash include stdio.h. So link section begins with hash or preprocessor directives. So this hash symbol is also known as preprocessor directives, and this specific line tells preprocessor to include the contents of standard input output header file, that is stdio.h. So you need to include all the functions into your program, then you need to use hash include stdio.h in the program while the program is being compiled. Okay. So there are other preprocessor statements. Those are hash include math.h. Whenever we use mathematical statements, okay, whenever you want to execute mathematical statement, in that situation you can use math.h. And next conio.h, console input output dot header file. Okay. So these are all header files. Okay. Next, the third line is main function. Okay. Int main. This is the main function of the program, which is a part of every C program. So I already told every C program must contain at least one main function. C program can have multiple functions which are also called building blocks. However, one of the functions should be main. So in a C program, it allows many functions, n number of functions, but in all those functions, main function is must. Okay. The code of the function is written between curly braces. So main the code, executable code must be within the curly braces. Okay, this is starting curly brace and this is ending curly brace. This is the fourth line and this is the seventh line. In this program also, body of the function is enclosed by braces line 4 and 7. So let's see. Here this is the fourth line and this is the seventh line. Next one is fifth line. Okay, fourth line is curly brace. Printf hello world. So here what is printf? Printf is a statement. So this is the standard output function which is instruct the computer to print anything written between the quotations, double quotations. Okay, so whatever between the double quotations, that will be printed in the screen, printed on the output. Okay, so this entire line includes the printf. Its argument with the parenthesis and the semicolon is called statement. So whatever the line which is ended with semicolon, okay, so in a C program, whatever the line which is ended with semicolon is known as statement. Okay, so here printf is a statement. The functionality of printf is used to display the message whatever in the double quotations. Okay, every statement must end with a semicolon. Okay, next sixth line, that is return 0. This line is nothing but an exist sequence for the function. Moreover, it signifies the termination of the function main return the integer value 0. So here we already told that main function int. So here int is a return type. Okay, this main function is used to return the integer value, that is 0 to infinity. So that's why here we return 0. That means the main function returns 0. Okay. Next. So escape sequence in C programming. So what is escape sequences? Escape sequences are the characters which are not printed. So not printed on the output. The / is used as escape. Okay, so here see. So in a printf statement, hello world /n. So what is /n? So /n is a escape sequence. Okay, so what is the functionality of /n? Let's see. So here /n means new line. It is used to shift the cursor control to the new line. So after printing hello world, it will be in next line. So whatever you've written in the program, that will be printed on next line. So if you does not use the /n, that will be printed continuously. Hello world, next hi, hello, like that. Okay. Next one is /t. /t means horizontal tab. It is used to shift the cursor to a couple of spaces to the right in the same line. So if you use /t, that will be printed like this. Hello. After some spaces, okay, couple of spaces, world. Okay, this is the space, horizontal tab. The next one is /a, which means audible bell. A beep is generated indicating the execution of the program is alert to the user. So whenever the output will be displayed, it sounds. Okay, it beep, it generate a sound. Next /r, carriage return. So use the position of the cursor, use to position the cursor to the beginning of the current line. Okay, so It is used to place the cursor at the current line. Next, backslash, double slash, used to display the backslash character. So if you want to display the backslash, you need to use double slash. Okay. So by this, the writing first program in C topic is completed. If you have any doubts regarding to this program, this topic, please comment me in the comment section. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel.